Hi, today we're going to talk about how to use the console toolbar. This video is specific to X14, X23, X25 and X35 consoles. The console toolbar is displayed by swiping upwards from the base of the screen. The power off button is used to shut down the console. The help hint displays the names of the user interface elements on the screen. After touching the help hints icon, question marks appear on the screen. Touch the desired icon to view the name. While the help feature is enabled, all functions are turned off. Swipe up and touch the help icon again to disable and return to normal operation. Eject USB should always be used before physically removing a USB plugged into the console or USB port on the console harness. This is the equivalent of safely ejecting a USB from your laptop or PC. Physically removing a USB from the console without using Eject USB first may result in loss of data copied or saved to the USB. The Take Screenshots icon is used to take screenshots of the current screen. A USB must be plugged into the console to use this function. If a USB is not plugged into the console when the screenshot icon is selected, you will be presented with a No External Media Detected message asking you to insert a USB and try again. Screenshots are stored on the USB in a folder called Screenshots. The images are saved as .png, portable network graphic files. Manage Global Home Screens enables multiple operation screen layouts to be saved. This function is not present on the X14 console. Used to declutter the operation screen or quickly return to displaying required information. Here I am creating a layout with the main guidance or mapping view together with my section state. Now I select the Manage Global Home Screens icon from the toolbar and select Save Home Screen. Using the on-screen keyboard, I name it Section State. Now I'm creating another view showing my spray controller and the configuration panel with access to manual speed control. Also a mini view of my guidance or mapping screen. Now I can select the Manage Global Home Screens icon from the toolbar and select Save Home Screen again. I will call this home screen Main Spray. Once created, layouts can be updated at any time by making the desired screen changes, then selecting the layout to update. When doing this, an Overwrite Home Screen warning is displayed. Select Yes to overwrite. You can change the layout name if desired, otherwise tick to confirm. Creating multiple global home screens then allows the operator to try the various layouts during operation and easily switch between them when desired. Saved home screens can be further managed by touching on the global home screen icon within the individual layout. From here they can be deleted, or they can be made inactive, which removes them from the Load Global Home Screen menu. Then if they are made active again, they are available for selection on the Global Home Screen menu once more. Switching between the various saved layouts is now quick and easy for the operator. Brightness control allows manual adjustment of the display using the minus or plus icons to adjust. Day-night mode allows the operator to toggle between auto mode, day mode and night mode. Auto light mode sets the brightness automatically depending on the light conditions. And that is how to use the console toolbar. I hope you found this video helpful and have a nice day.